Hi, my name is Angelique Montano-Breslin. I'm a pelvic health physiotherapist, and today we're going to talk about the difference between vaginal moisturizers and vaginal lubricants. So let's talk about vaginal lubricants. Vaginal lubricants typically come in a form of a gel, and they can be really useful for short-term relief of pain, especially during intercourse for women that are going through menopause or postmenopausal. Lubricants are not really well absorbed by the skin, so they don't last for very long, but they are absolutely a great product to use if pain is only presenting around sexual play or intercourse when vaginal dryness is a concern. So there are different types of lubricants that one can use. The three main types are water-based lubricants, silicone-based lubricants, and oil-based lubricants. And they're all a little bit different. It really is a personal choice as to what you decide to use. If there aren't any contraindications or precautions to using one over another, it really is up to you because there's a different feel, a different texture, a different sensation to the skin. So whatever feels best for you is what you should use.